Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make a baby shower vase out of a Pringles container. Here I have an empty container which I've washed out, some tape, and some cardstock in a baby kind of theme, and some coordinating cardstock. So I'm going to very simply roll the container in the paper, and I'm going to secure it with some tape. If you're going to have a baby shower and you want to have a simple flower vase in the middle of each table, and you don't want to spend too much, this is an inexpensive and quick way that you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and secure this edge and then roll it around the container. I'm using invisible tape, so it will disappear when you rub on it. Then I'm going to take some of the coordinating cardstock and do the same thing on the top and bottom to form a nice border. Then you can just go ahead and fill this with some silk flowers that match the theme of the party. And you have a lovely and inexpensive and very quick vase for a baby shower out of a Pringles can. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.